What's up guys, it's Marisabel. Welcome back to another video, and here we have the 370Z and it is pretty dark out, so we're gonna actually do a nighttime POV. Manual 370Z, super pretty. I actually love the back of it. It's probably my most favorite look of all. Comment down below, do you guys like the back or the front of the car? I don't know, but I also like the side too because it's just so small. Look at it, it's super small. I want to do this cool feature because I had no idea. I discovered it by myself because I just be bored. So we're going to have the car hold actually the unlock button, which is right here, and the windows roll down and they both roll down. So I don't think you can put it back up. I don't think you can, I don't know, but if you guys do know, let me know. But yeah, you can like press it on and off so it can go down like semi. So yeah, pretty cool feature. Like I said, I only had this car for 3 months and I still don't know too much about it, so just bear with me. Like this video, make sure to comment down below and subscribe if you're new, and welcome to my channel. Excuse my engine light, that is my O2 sensor. So just in case you guys are wondering, of course, and you guys are new, it's just my O2 sensor that's on and it won't go away. Now it did rain a little bit, like it drizzled, so I have to be very careful. For you guys that don't have a manual car or honestly never been in one, this is a perfect video for you guys. But beware, I'm not good driving manual. Actually, let me take that back. I'm okay, but I'm not like good, like I'm not great, you know. Eventually I'll get there. All right, hold up. We're gonna hit 3 and then let's hit 2. We hit 2 and then we hit 1. All right. Now it's green light, so we're gonna go shift up now. I love how 3 is so smooth, like from 2 to 3, it's so smooth, but I guess like 2 and 1 or 2, it's more stiff, especially second gear is super stiff. Ah! I need to stop staying in the clutch for too long. All right, we're going up a hill sort of, so I feel like I always get confused. I don't know if I have to downshift on a hill. It's just so odd to me. All right, this floor is pretty wet, so we're gonna take it a little bit easy. I think we can make it to 100. I can. Yo, we did it again. I couldn't downshift on time. It's impossible. On such a short timing, I can't. Anytime, Marisabel. Is it turning as green as green? Do you think I'm gonna make it? I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I want to floor it. The floor is wet. I think overall my favorite is highway. No, actually I'm not. Like, now it's becoming kind of like streets because I get to really engage with the car. Like, this is the highway. Like, I'm not doing anything. Like, I'm just in 6th gear and just letting it go. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. So we're gonna go to 4. Oh snap, y'all, my dumbass went to neutral. Why did I do that? All right guys, we're gonna do some streets right now, some street POV. A little bit better because we could like really interact with the car. Of course, it gives me more practice. Alright, that was perfect timing. I did not have to like sit there and stop. Hopefully you guys can see because it looks pretty dark in here. What's up? I keep getting all these green lights. Let's go. All right, we gripped it. We gripped the hill. And that wasn't bad. I wanted to go to 2nd and I instead went to 4. Oh well, it's green at least. Let me see if I'm in neutral, no hill. All right, we good. Ugh. And my lower back hurt. We're kind of actually moving a little bit forward. Yeah, we are. All right. Okay. You know what? We're coming to a red light. I might as well just stay on 1. Oh, never mind. Alright guys, that's today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Just giving you guys, you know, a little POV at night. I'm pretty much gonna do it during the day, the same type of view, just during the day. This was, I guess, a highway and street nighttime POV. So like I said, make sure to like, make sure to comment and subscribe if you're new. It will help me a lot. I'll be noticing new subscribers every time. So peace.